As a learning management system, Schoology is a one-stop shop for everything tech-related. Rather than having a bunch of different sign-ups and sign-ins and join codes for a bunch of things, everything can be done in one spot. A helpful feature to support that would be that of updates. And if I was to click on updates, what I'll be able to do now is make an announcement to my class. I have a text editor where I can type in words, I can bold or italicize, I can do indents, bullet points, I can have it spell checked, I can change the fonts or actually insert content, maybe links, or if I am doing something related to math or science, I actually have equation editors where I can bring in special symbols that I would need to write those formulas. In addition, I could also choose to attach in a file, like an email attachment. Maybe I have a flyer for a scholarship opportunity or a community event or something like this I could attach. I could include a link to something. Maybe I want students to go to a specific site in order to sign up for some sort of information or have access to something that's relevant for my class. I can include a resource from my resources folder, and I can bring something in for them to use. I could also bring in my own audio and video recording and just do this right within this post. This is helpful because maybe there's a day where there's a substitute and you want to, in your words and your voice, explain what's going on, what you expect, speak to any pitfalls that you might anticipate, so that way students have it from the source. You can also choose to include some sort of a poll or a survey. Maybe you want to get a feel for how ready students are for something, or how they understood something, or how they reacted to whatever. You can create this poll and get a pulse. If you'd like to, you can also choose to copy this to multiple courses that you teach. Maybe you have a 5-period day and you want all 5 classes to hear this information. By clicking the appropriate course or courses, you can send it out to everyone at once. Finally, you could also choose to make this an announcement, and I'll show you what this looks like right now. What I've done here now is I've set it all up and I'll hit post. By making an announcement, this information is going to be at the top of the screen no matter what. Whenever a student goes to your class, they're always going to see this at the very top. So if you just want to have an in-your-face type of a way for students to see what's going on, it's right there. If I were to choose to view this course as one of my students, what I'll notice here is the announcements at the very top, and my student would also see a little call-out number for the updates. The student could then click on this and see that update, whatever it is. And if there happens to be a video or audio, the student can then also play and listen to this within Schoology too. If I don't want the announcement, I would just uncheck that box and it would go away.